Good evening students. Now I am teaching 9th class, second chapter polynomials and factorization, third exercise, fourth problem. Find the remainder when 9x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. So how we can do that? By using remainder theorem. Okay. By given the polynomial, given p of x. P of x means polynomial with variable x. So here p of x is equal to 9x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 5. So here g of x will be given that x minus 2 by 3. So by using remainder theorem, so g of x is equal to 0, x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 by 3. So here x replaced by 2 by 3, that is p of 2 by 3 is equal 9x cube, that is 9 of 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Okay. By using remainder theorem, g of x is equal, the divisor is equal to 0. The 0 we can substitute in the given polynomial. P of 2 by 3 is equal to 9 of 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 of 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So, P of 2 by 3 is equal to 9 of 2 by 3 whole cube. A by b whole power m. A power m by b power m. That is here 2 cube by 3 cube minus 3 into 2 square by 3 square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So 9 into 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27 minus 3 into 2 square 4, 3 square 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. That is 8 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Okay, these all are like fractions. Write the common denominator. Okay, so that is by 3. 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 5. So 8 minus 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 3 minus 5. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. That is 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 minus 3. So P of 2 by 3 is equal to minus 3. So the remainder is how much? Minus 3. The polynomial 9x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. The remainder is how much? Minus 3. Next, the polynomials x cubed plus ax squared plus 5 and x cubed minus 2x squared plus a are divided by x plus 2 leaves the same remainder. Find the value of a. So first the given polynomial, let us take the polynomial p of x is equal x cube plus ax square plus 5. Another polynomial f of x, let us take. So the polynomial name x cube minus 2x square plus a. So these two polynomials are divided by x plus 2. We get the remainder is same. So these two polynomials f of x divided by x plus 2. So that is by using remainder theorem, so g of x is equal to 0. So that is here x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So x replaced by minus 2. So we get the remainder is same. That is p of minus 2 is equal to f of minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to f of minus 2. That means in the place of x we can put minus 2 in the polynomial p of x, and f of minus 2 means in the place of x we can put minus 2 in the polynomial f of x. So that is a minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus 5 is equal here minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus a. So minus 2 whole cube. The negative integer is multiple odd times it is become positive. That is minus 2 whole cube. You can get as minus 8 plus a into the negative integer is multiple even times. You can get as positive. That is minus 2 whole square 4 plus 5 is equal minus 8 minus 2 into 4 plus a. Okay, minus 8 plus 4a plus 5 is equal minus 8 to 4 ja 8 minus 8 plus a. So minus 8 plus 5 minus 3 minus 8 minus 8 minus 16 plus a. Take the variable term is one side, constant is one side. So 4a minus a is equal minus 16 minus 3 is going to result plus. So 4a minus a, 3a is equal minus 13. A is equal minus 13 by 3. So this is the value of a. Next, if the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Okay, that means these two polynomials is divided by x minus 2, we get the remainder is same. Find the value of a. So first, given the polynomial, write the given the polynomial. Given the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. Next, another polynomial f of x is equal x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. So are divided by x minus 2. Okay, by using the remainder theorem, x minus 2 is equal 0, x is equal 2. So given condition, what the given condition? The remainders are same. So when the first polynomial is divided by x minus 2, we get the remainder, and f of x, the polynomial is divided by x minus 2, we get the remainder. The two remainders are same. So that is given the condition p of 2 is equal f of 2. So p of 2 means polynomial, the value of variable 2. F of 2 means the polynomial, the value of variable 2. Okay, that is here 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5 is equal 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. So 2 into 2 cube 8 plus a into 2 square 4 plus 6 minus 5 is equal to 2 cube 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus a. So here 2 8 ja 16 plus 4a plus 1. 6 minus 5 1. Here plus 8 minus 8 cancel, that is 4 plus a. So 16 plus 1 17 plus 4a is equal 4 plus a. Plus a comes to the minus 4a minus a is equal 4 minus 17. 3a is equal 4 minus 17 minus 13. 3a 3 into a, that is a is equal minus 13 by 3. So therefore the value of a is minus 13 by 3. Find the remainder when f of x x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x x minus 2 and verify the result by actual division method. Okay, first here given p of x, okay, f of x is equal x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by x minus 2. G of x is equal x minus 2. So by using remainder theorem, g of x is equal 0, x minus 2 is equal 0, x is equal 2. So here x replaced by 2, that is f of 2 is equal 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. 2 power 4, that is 2 is multiple 4 times, you can get as 16 minus 3 into 2 square, 4 plus 4. So 16 minus 3 4 jar, 12 plus 4. So 16 minus 12, that is minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is f of 2 is equal how much? 8. The remainder is how much? 8. So we can find the same remainder by using actual division method. By using actual division method, so that is a x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by x minus 2. So in the dividend place, the degrees are here 4, 2, 0. So the degrees we can write in order form. That is, what is the order form? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So here x minus 2 we can write as x power 4 plus 0x cube. Here 0 is multiplied with anything, we can get the 0. So now the degree is how much here? 3. Okay, minus 3x square plus 0x plus 4. So now the polynomial is in the form of its degree. It is in ascending order degree 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So here in the divisor, what is there here? X minus 2. X is multiplied with which term? We can get as x power 4. That is x cube. How? The first term of divided by first term of the divisor. X power 4 by x. We can get as x cube. So that is x cube into x. X power 4. X cube into minus 2. Minus 2x cube. So division nothing but subtract. Okay, that means the x power 4 minus 2x cube is subtract from this polynomial. When it is subtract, the signs are changes. Plus is become minus, minus is become plus. So plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. Plus 0x cube plus 2x cube, that is 2x cube. Minus 3x square. Here in the dividend, what is the terms here? 2x cube minus 3x square. In the divisor, what is the term? X minus 2. So the x is multiplied with which term? We can get as 2x cube. That is here plus 2x square. Okay, how we can get a 2x square? The first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Okay, so that is here x into 2x square, that is 2x cube. 2x square into 2 minus 4x square. Okay, division nothing but subtract. So when subtract, the signs are changes. Plus is become minus, minus is become plus. Plus 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel. Minus 3x square plus 4x square, that is x square. Next we can draw 0x. Okay, here first term is what here? X, here x square. X is multiplied with which term? We can get as x square, that is x. Okay, plus x, x into x, x square. X into minus 2, minus 2x. Okay, now the term signs are changes. Plus is become minus, plus. Plus x square minus x square cancel. Plus 0x plus 2x, 2x. Next plus 4. You can draw 4. So here what is the term? X. Here what is the term? 2x. X is multiplied with which term? You can get as 2x. That is here plus 2. Okay, 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So now the signs are changes. Plus will become minus, minus plus. Plus 4, that is plus 8. Find the remainder when p of x, x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x is equal to 1 minus 2x, and verify the result by long division. Okay, so here first what they given by? Given p of x is equal x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x is equal 1 minus 2x. So by using remainder theorem, g of x is equal to 0. 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. 1 is equal to 2x. Minus 2x is going to happen plus. So 2x, 2 into 2 multiply, come this one happen divide. 1 by 2 is equal to x. So x replaced by 1 by 2 in the polynomial p of x. So that is here p of 1 by 2 is equal 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 1 by 2 minus 3. So 1 by 2 whole cube, a by b whole power m, a power m by b power m. So that is here 1 cube by 2 cube minus 6 into 1 square by 2 square plus 2 1 ja 2 7 ja. So that is here 7 minus 3. Okay, so here 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8 minus 6 into 1 by 2 square 4 plus 7 minus 3 4. So 2 2 ja 2 3 ja. That is here 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 4. So 4 we can write as 4 by 1. So here what are the fractions? 1 by 8, 3 by 2, 4 by 1. So the denominators are what? 8 to 1. So here how we can do? Take that by taking the LCM of 8 to 1, that is equal 8. Why you can take the 8? Because 8 is a multiple of 2. LCM means what? Least common multiple. The LCM of any two numbers is highest multiple of a common. Okay, so that is here the denominator is 8, 1. Here we make the denominator 8 means we can multiply 4, that is 3 into 4. Plus here the denominator is how much? 1. So the 1 is making 8 means we can multiply the numerator and denominator with 8, that is 4 8 ja. Okay, 1 minus 3 4 ja 12 plus 32 by 8. So 1 plus 32, 33 minus 12 by 8. 33 minus 12, that is how much? 21. So the remainder is how much? 21 by 8. By long division method. Actual division method or long division method, both are same. So here by long division method. So long division method means what? Same as it is the numerical how we can divide it. Same the polynomials are divided. Okay, here that is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. In this polynomial, the degree of the terms are all are in order. 3, 2, 1, 0. There is no degree means what the degree here? 0. Okay, so it is divided by g of x. So here what is g of x? 1 minus 2x. This 1 minus 2x we can write in order form, that is minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so here 1 minus 2x we can write like this, minus 2x plus 1. A plus b is equal to b plus a. We can write by using the commutative property. Okay, minus 2x plus 1. Here the first term is minus 2x, here the first term is x cube. So minus 2x is multiplied with which term? We can get as x cube. So how? Dividend of the first term by divisor of the first term, that is x cube by minus 2x. X cancel, that is we can get as x square by minus 2. X square by minus 2. So here minus 2x plus 1 is multiplied with x square by minus 2. So here by using the distributive property, we can write as minus 2x into x square by minus 2 plus 1 into x square by minus 2. Minus 2 cancel, x into x square x cube, plus by minus minus x square by 2. So here minus 2x plus 1 is multiplied with x square by minus 2. We can get the polynomial is x cube minus x square by 2. The first term is minus 2x, divisor first term is minus 2x, dividend first term is x cube. So the divisor first term minus 2x is multiplied with which term? We can get as x cube means x square by minus 2. How we can get? First term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Okay, so here now the polynomials, okay, x cube minus x square by 2, division nothing but subtract. This polynomial is subtract from this polynomial. When you subtract, the signs are changes. Here which sign here? Plus. The plus is become minus, here plus. So plus x cube minus x cube cancel. So here minus 6x square plus x square by 2. Neglect this sign. When you subtract, the signs will be changes. So here these two are like terms. Their quotients are different here. Minus 6. Here the quotient is 1 by 2. So here minus 6x square plus x square by 2. So it is the fraction form. Minus 6x square we can write as by 1. Now we can do that cross multiple. 6x square into 2 minus 12x square plus x square by 2. So that is here minus 11x square by 2. So which term we can get? Minus 11x square by 2. Draw 14x. Draw 14x. So here In the dividend, what are the terms? Minus 11x square by 2 plus 14x. First term is minus 11x square by 2. Here the first term is minus 2x. So here minus 2x is multiplied with which term? We can get as minus 11x square by 2. How? The first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So that is here minus 11x square by 2 by 2x minus 2x. It is the first term of the dividend. It is the first term of the divisor. Minus by minus cancel. X cancel. This 2 we can add as 2 by 1. That is here 11x by 2 into 2 by 1 we can add as 1 by 2. That is 11x by 2 to 4. Okay. Now the divisor minus 2x plus 1 is multiplied with 11 by 4. Okay. So that is here minus 2x into 11 by 4 plus 1 into 11 by 4. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. That is minus 11x. Okay, here 11x square by 2 plus 11 by 4. Okay, so here minus 2x plus 1 is multiplied with plus 11x by 4. We can get the polynomial is minus 11 by 2x square plus 11x by 4. Okay. Division nothing but subtract. When you subtract, the signs are changes. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So minus 11x square by 2 plus 11x square by 2 cancel. What the remaining? 14x minus 11x by 4. These two are like fractions. Okay, but their quotients are different here. 14 here 11 by 4. So here 14x minus 11x by 4. So we can add as by 1. 14 4 is 56x minus 11x by 4. That is equal 45x by 4. So that is 45x by 4. Draw next term, that is minus 3. Okay, here in the dividend, what is the term? 45x by 4. In the divisor, what is the term? Minus 2x. So minus 2x is multiplied with which term? We can get as 45x by 4. So that is the first term of the divided by first term of the divisor. That is minus 2x. Okay, here x cancel, 2 we can add as by 1. That is 45 by 4 into minus 1 by 2. That is 45 by 4 2 ja minus 8. Okay, so here minus 2x is multiplied with 45 by minus 8 plus 1 into 45 by minus 8. So minus minus cancel, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. That is 45x by 4 plus by minus minus. Okay, so that is here minus 45 by 8. We can get as 45x by 4 minus 45 by 8. So division nothing but subtraction. Plus is become minus plus. Both are cancelled. What the remaining? Minus 3 plus 45 by 8. So here we can do that cross multiple. Minus 24 plus 45 by 8. Minus 24 plus 45, that is 21 by 8. So the remainder is how much? Minus 21 by 8. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, this is the remainder 2, and x plus 2, this the remainder is minus 2. Find a and b. So first, given the polynomials, p of x is equal 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2. Remainder is 2. So by using the remainder theorem, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So x replaced by 2. So that is here p of 2. Its remainder is how much? 2. When the x value is 2, we can substitute in the polynomial. Its value is become how much? 2. That is called remainder theorem. Okay, here the x minus 2 is divided by this polynomial. We get the remainder is 2. Okay, that is here 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 2 into 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 2 square 4 plus 2a plus b is equal to 2. So 2 8 ja 16 plus 3 4 ja 12 plus 2a plus b is equal minus 2. 16 plus 12 28 plus 2a plus b is equal 2 plus 28 it is going to side minus 2a plus b is equal 2 minus 28. So 2a plus b is equal minus 26. Let us take it is the equation 1. Okay, next the p of x polynomial is divided by x plus 2. Remainder is minus 2. Remainder is minus 2. So that is here p of minus 2 is equal minus 2. X plus 2 is equal 0. X is equal minus 2. In the place of x you can put minus 2. Its value is how much? Minus 2. So that is here 2 into minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b is equal minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 whole cube. The negative integer is multiple or times it is become negative. So minus 2 whole cube, that is minus 8 plus 3 into negative integer is multiple even time it is become positive. 3 into 4 plus into minus 2a plus b is equal minus 2. So minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b is equal minus 2. So minus 16 plus 12 minus 4 minus 2a plus b is equal minus 2. Okay, minus 4 is going to start plus minus 2a plus b is equal minus 2 plus 4 minus 2a plus b is equal 2. So it is equation 2. So from 1 and 2. So first equation is 2a plus b is equal minus 26 and minus 2a plus b is equal 2. So from 1 and 2, adding these two equation plus 2a minus 2a cancel, b plus b 2b is equal minus 26 plus 2 minus 26 plus 2 minus 24. B is equal minus 24 by 2. So 1 jar to 12 jar. So B is equal minus 12. So the B value can substitute any one. So that is here B value substitute in 2a minus 2a plus b is equal 2. So that is here 2a minus 2a plus minus 12 is equal 2. So minus 2a plus into minus 12 is equal to, so 2 plus 12, so minus 2a is equal 14. A is equal 14 by minus 2 plus by minus 2 1 jar to 7 jar. So the value of A is minus 7, the value of B is minus 12.